Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. This is Ramakant. Welcome to my YouTube channel Learning English Together. Today I have come up with an important topic. It's called how to start speaking from the beginning. And is it possible to speak English from the beginning? Yes guys, it is possible to speak English from the beginning because I have been there, done that. I am saying from my experience. Therefore, I would love to share my English journey with all you guys so that you will be clarified whether it is possible or not. To be honest, guys, when I first started learning this language, I could not speak even a single word, single sentence correctly. I faced a lot of challenges to improve my English. I worked hard to improve my English. To be honest guys, when I first started learning this language, I did not know what is the meaning of where am I from that level I started my English journey. So you can see the progress now. Therefore I say it is possible to speak English from the beginning. Therefore guys, I am here to help you, those who are on the same path as I was. And you know guys, there are many spoken English learners want to speak English and struggle with speaking because they don't know where to start, right? But don't worry guys, in this video I will guide you step by step on how you can start speaking effectively and easily from the beginning. So let's come to the step number 1. Step number 1 is to learn basic words and phrases. Yes, guys, you heard it correctly. The best way to improve your English is learn basic words and phrases and learn some greetings, common greetings like good morning, how are you, how is everything, good evening, good night, good afternoon. That's how you have to start. And you can also learn simple sentences for introducing yourself, like my name is so and so, I am from so and so, okay, my father name is so and so, my education is so and so, my hobbies are so and so. That's how you have to start speaking from the beginning, and this will get you comfortable with this language. So this is all about our step number 1. Now I am coming to the step number 2. Step number 2 is listen and repeat. Yes, guys, the best way to improve your English is by listening and repeating. There are many conversational content available on YouTube. You can watch them. You can listen to English podcast. You can listen to English conversational content. You can watch them, right? And whenever you have to watch, give your 100% focus, pay attention to that content so that you will get to learn something. And after listening to that content, try to repeat it again and again. That will help you immensely to improve your English. The more you listen, the more you will become better at this language. You will become more capable to understand this language. Do you get my point, guys? So start listening to English conversational content, start listening to podcast, watch English web series, movies. They will help you immensely to improve your English, and it will help you improve your pronunciation and confidence level. That's all about my step number 2. Now I am coming to the step number 3. Step number 3 is to practice daily conversation. Yes, guys, you heard it correctly. We have to practice daily conversation. How to practice? If you have a friend, you can speak with him in English. If you don't have any friend who can speak English with you, then use applications to improve your English. There are lot of applications, guys. There are lot of applications. By using them, you can improve your English. There is an application called CV. It is very famous nowadays. Many spoken English learners use this application to improve their English. It is a paid application, but this application provides 30 minutes to use for free. So you can use those 30 minutes for free to improve your English. And if you don't like to use that application, there are lot of applications like Talk Now, Body Talk, Juice Skill. You can use them to improve your English, guys. And and guys, it will help you immensely to improve your English. If you don't like them, if you don't find it's helpful for you, if you don't find those applications are helpful for you, then speak to yourself in front of the mirror. Go in front of the mirror and start speaking. Yes, guys. See, when you get up all in the morning, start describing your day, how you are going to spend your day. And end of the evening, describe your day, whatever you have done since morning to till night. That's how you have to practice your daily conversation. Okay, so now I am coming to the point number or step number 4. Step number 4 is to think in English. Yes, guys, you heard it correctly. We have to think in English. We have to develop the habit of thinking in English. How we have to develop the habit of thinking in English? See, guys, whatever are there surround you, you have to think in English. अगर वहाँ पे एक फैन है, if there is a fan and you want to switch on the fan, don't say in Hindi मुझे फैन चालू करना है, गर्मी लग रहा है. You can say simply in English, I want to switch on the fan. Could you please switch on the fan for me? I'm feeling thirsty. Could you give me a glass of water? That's how you have to think in English. Even if it just a single word or sentence, you have to start thinking in English. Suppose you have to go to market for buying some things, buying some product for shopping. Start thinking in English. What are the product or things that you buy from the market? You have to think in English. That's how you have to inculcate the habit of thinking in English, guys. See, guys, why I am saying to think in English, because when we start speaking in English, our native language comes into our mind at first. After that, we get it translated in English, then we speak, which slows down the process of speaking in English. And if you follow this process, you will never be a fluent speaker. Therefore, I am saying to start thinking in English. Okay, so this is all about our step number 4. Now I am coming to the step number 5. Step number 5 is don't be afraid of making mistakes. Yes, guys, there are many beginners. They think that if I make a mistake, what he or she is going to think about me. Let them think whatever they want to think. If you always focus on your mistakes, will you be able to speak this language? Will you be able to be fluent in this language? Never, guys. You will never be a fluent in this language. Therefore, you should understand that practicing our English is very, very important, and practice makes a man perfect. If I make mistakes, then I am gonna learn from my mistakes. The more you make mistakes, you will get an opportunity to learn something new, to do something better, right? So mistakes are part of learning, and don't stop yourself from speaking just because you are not perfect at this language. See, guys, even native speakers makes mistake. They are not special, right? So why do you think a lot about it? Everyone makes a mistakes. You are not special. I'm not special. Even I make a lot of mistakes. It does not mean that I will give up my dream. It does not mean that I will stop speaking in English because I make mistakes. Mistakes are something that is going to help me to do something new, to learn something new. Yes, guys. Steps. These are the 5 steps to start speaking English from the beginning. Continuously, if you follow these 5 steps continuously, then definitely you are gonna be fluent in this language. Then definitely you will start speaking English from the beginning. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And also let me know in the comment box what challenges do you face while speaking this language. I will see you in the next